Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're doing a skincare unboxing. Yay! It's been a while since I did one of these. Not too long. I kind of let it build up because I don't want to unbox just like one item, but I also don't want to have a huge unboxing where, sorry, Henry's next to me playing on the floor with some paper and he's being loud about it. Where I just have an abundance of stuff and it's just like overwhelming. This is all like clean beauty, stuff like that. It's a Derma-E package and then 2 Youth to the People packages. Better get my scissors. Now, if you're interested, I will link to all the items in this video. I'll also link to my reviews on my blog. I might review the items if I haven't already. Sometimes I get items that I've already reviewed and that's mood, obviously. Do you guys like my mug? It says, "Excuse me while I kiss the sky." Cute, right? I got it on one of my trips to Tennessee. All right. That's my cat's in a box. I wish you could see this. There may be a light just crashing down at any moment because the box is now under the light. All right, anyway, let's get on with the show, right? All right, let's see what I got here. You know what? Let's just cut it. So this is from Derma-E. If you're new to my channel, I guess, Derma-E is one of those brands that like clean beauty, but also extremely effective. I do love their products. I don't know why they did all this. It's an envelope inside an envelope. All right, let's see here. Oh, look, it's a notebook. It says Paperage recycled paper dotted notebook. This is actually great. Oh my gosh, I haven't told you guys. So I think I said in a recent video that I like want to do different content. I like want to do shop with me's. I love that Gabe's video I made with Amy, my friend. That was such a blast, and I had fun. And I found last year I wasn't interested in, like, I just was like over it, what I was doing. And like, if you're not loving it, then why are you doing it? Something I've been doing lately for myself is like making itineraries at night before I go to bed for the next day. It helps me stay on track. I have trouble like with time management, just being honest. And so that's something that I found helps. And so this is great. I'm almost out of my notebook. And by the way, making videos is on there. But yeah, I want to have like a scheduled posting. I want to have like Mondays be like a shop with me, and Wednesdays be an unboxing, and then Friday be something else. I don't know, maybe like a review. I don't know. But like the thing is, I want it to be consistent, but I don't want it to be the same boring. Like, I feel like how many times can you unbox something that's like, I like the review because the reviews are great. Like, you get to see it monthly, but unboxing it at certain things every month just isn't fun. Like underwear. I think that's not, I don't know. But anyway, it did come with this really cool rose gold pen with pink glitter in it. I'm just trying to stay like fresh, you know? I want to be fresh. You like how the fresh cat's just fresh and around, fresher? All right. Oh, there's a card. What is inside? Happy holidays. Oh, it tells you when I got it. Thank you for your love and support over the past year. Wishing you and your family a wonderful holiday season and a healthy new year. I thought it said hearthy. Could have put that on my hearthy, but I didn't open it right away. We're all surprised. Ooh, a Derma-E sticker. That's kind of cool. All right, so here's the item. Oh no, there's a pin too. Ooh, it says, "I rather go vegan." There you go. All right. By the way, all their products are vegan, cruelty-free, made with sustainable wind energy, are recyclable, fair trade, and they work. That's the thing that matters most. And this is their Anti-Wrinkle Toner. Ooh, this is vitamin A and glycolic acid. That's actually really cool. I think I've been telling you guys lately about, I've never tried this either. I have tried their Radiance Toner. It has the purple lid. And I think one other, is that a cleanser or a toner? It has a red lid. I'm not a huge, I have to say this. I've not been a huge toner user because I'm really like coming to terms with my skin and understanding how it works. It came about by accident. I've been bragging about how great my skin's been looking. And I realized I haven't been eating as much cheese. And so a couple days, maybe a week ago, I had a lot of cheese. I had birria tacos. I don't remember what else I had, but it was a lot of cheese, basically. And my husband's like, oh, your face is really red. I was like, I had a lot of cheese. Because I had thought about this, like maybe it's cheese, but nobody wants to admit that the most delicious food on earth is poisoning your skin. And sure enough, I laid off cheese for a while and my skin was a little better. Now, my skin's always going to be a little red. I have rosacea, but it's just much better. And I'm learning like I was putting so many products on my face and it was just making it worse. Like I stopped everything and my skin just, when I stopped drinking too. I mean, it just kind of all came together. I was like, wow. Could also be winter, but whatever. Anyway, I'm rambling. I hope you like that style because that's my style. How the hell do I open this thing? All right. All right. I know I'm going towards myself. It's hard to do this. I guess I'd have to do that, right? How do I open? Oh, I see. Well, I guess we'll do this to be appropriate. Don't cut boxes towards yourself, kids. All right. Oh, don't look at my address. Youth to the people. I don't know what this product is. I do, by the way, another product. They're Superfood, Kale Superfood Green Face Wash. The more I use it, the more I love it. Hey, get down from there. He's pesting the snake. Get down from there, Henry. Come here. Like you can't take his attention off it. Like I would show you this room, but it's a hot mess disaster, and it would be embarrassing for my daughter. So I need come here. Come on, come here. Get off of there. Come here. Oh, look, he's gonna come now. He's gonna come attack me. I know I'm breaking all the rules by using my hand, but like he needs to not be on the thing. Come on. All right, he's done, but he's not paying attention. All right, anyway. What a nightmare I live in. All right, Henry. All right, what is this? This is their triple peptide and Cactus Oasis Serum. Plump. Oh, it's hyaluronic acid. Plump, firm, and hydrate. Amplified with 4D hyaluronic acid. So, I can't use hyaluronic acid. You guys know that. It makes my skin bad. That's another one that I figured out, and I was like, wow, I've been using this stuff for so long. No idea. All right, well, anyway, I'll pass this on to a friend. Tell them to tell me how it works. No shade on the product, because if something doesn't agree with your skin, it doesn't. That doesn't mean hyaluronic acid doesn't work for everybody. It plumps, it hydrates. Hyaluronic acid is, he's up there again. Oh my gosh. It's a humectant, so it draws moisture from the air to your skin. It's how it works. It's science. All right, this is another product, and the final product in this unboxing from Youth to the People. This is the Clean Slate for Your Dream State Super Berry Dream Cleansing Balm. I love these because they're super hydrating. Now, I don't use them a lot because I find myself using less products than I used to, but it came with its own dream journal made from clearly recycled paper. I think it looks cool, right? And it tells you like the dreams, you write it all down. I don't think I have the personal gumption to follow through on something like that, but I love the idea of it. See what you did, man? I apologize. All right. So the actual product, though, this one I will be using. So So here it is. This is a huge box. In here we have jojoba, moringa, and sunflower oils, super berry antioxidants, oil soluble, hyaluronic acid. We're gonna try it anyway because it is something you wipe right off. And prickly pear. I'm excited to use it, so I do want to open it and smell it. Oh, I love their. Okay, so this is way thicker than I thought. Like, it's like wax, like the waxy kind, not like. I'm thinking of the Elemis one because I have that one right now. I'm using it. It's like that kind of like a goop. I know it sounds weird, but that one's like goopy. This is more like that hard wax. Like this is like a. But anyway, does anybody want a cat? No, I'm just kidding. Anyway. So those are all the products that I will be reviewing on my blog. I've not used any of these before. I will not be reviewing the, well, I probably will. What I'll do is I'll post about it with all the ingredients and things like that. And then I'll have maybe one of my daughters or a friend try it and then kind of let you guys know. But that'll be a while because I have to give it to somebody else to try. But anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging around, even though this is kind of a wild ride. Always fun. As always, I will see you guys next time.